Okay, so today we are working with Skill Work 5C, Common Core 5th grade math review. Number 1, we have 83 times 24, 83 times 24. So you should have lined these up vertically and then multiplied. 4 times 3 is 12, write the 2, carry the 1. 4 times 8 is 32, plus the 1 we carried is 33. Then 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 8 is 16. Okay, add. We get 1,992. Number 2, we have 456 divided by 5, 456 divided by 5. 5 is too big to go into 4, so we don't write anything above the 4. It can go into 45, 9 times 5 is 45. Bring down the 6. 5 can go into 6 one time. 1 times 5 is 5. We subtract and get 1. We used to say remainder 1, but now we say 1 out of 5. So 91 and 1/5. Number 3, round each of the following numbers to the nearest tenth. So the 10th place is the first digit to the right of the decimal. So we're rounding to the 10th place. And to do that, we look at the number that follows the 10th place. So we look to the 100th place. If that number is 5 or higher, we round up. If that number is 4 or lower, we round down. So here we have a 1, which tells us to round down. So this will be 9.0. We have 6.09. The number after the 10th place, the number in the 100th place is a 9, which tells us to round up. So this will be 6.1. We have 1.95. We look at the 5, that tells us to round up. To round up 9, it would round up to 10, which would be write the 0, carry the 1, which makes this 2.0. Okay, and it helps to think of this as money and rounding to the nearest dime. So $9.01 would round to $9. $6.09 would round to $6.10. $1.95 would round to $2. So it is helpful to think of it in terms of money. Write each number in standard form. So for number 4, the first question, we would have 470,325. So 470,325. Okay, there were no 1,000s. Okay, so it's 0,000. So nothing in the thousands place. We put the 0 there. Okay, we have 70,000 exactly. We didn't have a number other than the 0. Okay, here we have 800,000. We didn't have anything in the 10,000s place. Okay, exactly 800,000 and 5,000. So we have 805,490. And there was nothing in the ones place. Number 5, find the rule and fill in the missing terms. So when we look at this, we have 1 to 3, 2 to 6. We can see that this is being multiplied by 3. Okay, 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9. What number multiplied by 3 is 12? 4 times 3 is 12, 5 times 3 is 15. So we can fill in the table. 6, graph the related number pairs from the problem above. So we are going to graph 1, 3, go right 1, up 3 through the approximately there, because 2.5 is halfway between 0 and 5. Then we have 2, 6. So 2, 6 would be right here. This is 5, so 6 would be just above that. 3, 9, and then 4, 12. 3, 9, and 4, 12. And that last number was 5, 15. 5, 15. Number 7, we have order of operations. When we have multiple sets of grouping symbols, we always work from the inside out. So we would do the 2 times 3 first to get our 6. Okay, 6 plus 9 is 15 divided by 5 times 2. 15 divided by 5 is 3, and 3 times 2 is 6. And then number 8, compare each set of numbers with the less than sign, greater than sign, or equal to sign. So this would be a 5 in the hundredths place. This 5 is in the thousands place, so this is larger. 3 and 5 hundredths is larger than 3 and 5 thousandths. 7 and 9 hundredths is less than 7 and 11 hundredths, or if you think of it as money, $7.09 is less than $7.11. 24 24 and 5 tenths is greater than 24, or excuse me, 2 and, oh, this is 24, that's greater. So obviously this 24, the whole number is greater than 2. So that is 5th grade math review, 5C.